Okay, everybody, so this is basically leaving off where I just was. Yeah, yeah. And because you see the pause button, this is pre-recorded. You can hear my voice pre-recorded. Yeah, this is the only part that isn't, because this software doesn't want to download, but the other does. So yeah, enjoy. On text. Alright, and if I go to, okay. I gotta do this big brain, okay. Yeah. Oh, it's higher level than me. Okay. That's because I didn't use growl. That's right. Hold up. I might actually be able to capture that. Oh. It. That hurts. Oh, that absolutely hurts. Oh, that hurts. Okay, so we know that if we get the Rattata, alright, I'm trying to think what to do. Because it's like, bruh. I think I have to use my main. No, wait a minute. What happens if I go to the PC? Now, the only bad thing about emulators is you can't do the in-game saves, which is good, because, I mean, you can save in the middle of a battle, but it's so bad because you can't dupe items with this, so, let's see. Alright, I'm going to go to someone's PC. Alright, now I'm going to go and see. Wait, was this after I fainted? I'll have to try it again. I'll have to. Alright, run. And then. I give it. You're good at this. Wait. Electro. Or no, Voltport. That's some interesting results. Alright, first I need to see if it's catchable. Oh, it is! Alright, this thing is actually catchable. And I believe not in Gen 1, but in like Gen something, it's the fastest Pokemon. Yeah, that greatly lowers my defense. Yeah, it just keeps lowering my defense. Ooh, this is gonna hurt when it decides to hit. Alright, if this crits. Alright, you know what? I'm going for it. There we go. That is our first official glitched Pokemon, you guys. Okay, that took. It's probably been 3 hours, you guys, that I've been trying to do this.
Okay, Nathan, what's your next?
No 100.
Homework.
No nickname. Alright, and now is the thing that I'm going to save just in case. And I really hope I can get back to that thing, because there was one more experiment I want to try, and that was what happens if I put Charmander, and yeah, okay, going the right way. Alright, now I gotta save right in front of this trainer to see if I can still battle them. Alright, yeah, holding space, because if you hold space, they'll only turn around. I'm pretty sure if they're. Alright. No. joking. Wait a minute. This might... Boom. Alright. You know what? This is risky, you guys. But I gotta do it for you guys. No, please. Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Okay, we're good. I got it. I got an idea, you guys. Okay, I really would rather not lose that, so I'm gonna big brain make a new one. Alright, guys. Come on. Okay, that's when I got the Nidoran, or the, not, you know what I mean. Oops, Nidoking. Okay, that's when I got the Voltorb. But what I want... Ow. Probably should turn the volume down because that kind of hurts my ears. That's from my other time. Alright, we just gotta get lucky, you guys. Alright, this is the... I mean, I'm hoping with all my heart that I can find it. Okay. Okay. Hold up, I got an idea, you guys. Oops. Alright, if I go out, run all the way down, and I encounter a Pokemon. Alright, run from it. Can I get that again is the question. No, I cannot. Now you Pokemon want to come in to see me. Interesting. Okay, this is gonna take some serious big brain. Alright, for a second I just thought I wasn't recording. Alright. Ooh, this is gonna take some big brain. Nope. Alright, this is the closest. Okay, copy. And I'm guessing paste. Alright, and then if I move that to folder, that to folder, that to folder, that to folder, that to the folder, and then if I go here and go load, Okay, this. That's the opening. Alright, I got 3 files to make this work. Okay, that's the one that we were just in. Die. Oh no. Okay. Okay, that's the one that we were just in. Alright, here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Will it be it? No, it's just the Nido King. You know what? I really don't want to disappoint you guys. Oh, I'll do it again. If there's no difference, I'll be sad, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This took a lot of work. I've been working on this for like 3-4 hours. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, I've been working very hard. Thank you.